Hello everybody and welcome to this addition to my little public speaking series, and today's speech is going to be me receiving an award. And the award that I decided I should receive is World's Most Boring Background for a video. And I would like to thank the moving company for having all of our stuff arrive late, and I'd like to thank the person that painted my room for choosing such a bland, boring color as white, and I'd love to thank my bedstand for being a simple black box, and I'd like to thank my family for moving me into this nice, lovely house, which it is actually a lovely house. And I thought that maybe I would decide to show you what my present is. Well, my award is. It is one of the more interesting things that I have in my room. Plush Pooh Bear. Totally worth it. And I worked hard to get this award, and I'm thankful for everyone who's helped me along the way, the people that like my videos and comment on them. I appreciate it, and I thank you a lot. And that's all I have to say for this speech. See you later.